Hello children, I am here with a new topic again. In our previous class, we have learnt about components of computers, that is hardware and software, and how these two together make a computer work, right? You all must have seen at home that how systematically things are done. This is because of your parents who act as managers. They plan things in advance for home. Similarly, a computer which is made up of different parts does many tasks at a time. So, the computer needs a manager, which is called the operating system of the computer. So, children, can you guess now what are we going to learn today? Yes, it's about operating system. An operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various parts. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. An operating system acts as a middleman between user, that is, you and computer hardware. Here are some of the very popular operating systems. First one, MS-DOS, Unix, Mac OS, MS Windows. Children, do you know that there were no operating systems in early computers? Operating system came in the computer field late, but they were accepted very quickly. Operating system is nothing but the software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. Earlier, I have mentioned about popular operating systems and MS Windows is one among them. Now, let's know more about it. MS Windows. MS Windows is the most popular system software in the world. It is made by a company named Microsoft Corporation, USA. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. While your computer is booting, you see a picture of Windows flag as shown. Most of the people use MS Windows operating system in their computers because it is very easy to use. It is graphic based, so you do not have to remember all the commands as in some other operating systems. Programs are arranged in different files and folders. It has icons which help to do different things quickly. MS Windows has many flavors called versions, for example, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 7. Windows 7 Desktop. Children, you see a screen when the process of booting is completed, right? This is the desktop. The Windows 7 Desktop has 4 components. First one is desktop background. Second one is icons. Third one is taskbar. And the last one is gadgets. Let us learn more about each of this. Okay? Desktop background. The background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called desktop background. You see different desktop background pictures on different computers according to their settings. Children, do you know you can set the desktop background of your computer according to your choice? What are icons? An icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, file or folder. For example, see the computer icon or the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Let's learn how to select or deselect an icon. To select an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer over an icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes. It means that the icon is selected. To deselect an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Step 2. To click the left mouse button once the color of the icon changes to its original color. It means that the icon is deselected. Opening an application using icon. To open an application program, double-click on its icon. Sorting icons. Sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Click the Sort By option. Step 2. Click the choices given in the menu to arrange the icon in that order. Children, remember, for the computer to arrange the icons by itself, right-click on the desktop, then click View, click Auto Arrange Icons. Let's learn how to hide desktop icons. You can hide all the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any blank area of the desktop. Click View option from the pop-up menu. Step 2. From the sub-menu, click the Show Desktop Icons to and check it. You see that all the icons on desktop become invisible. You can bring back all the desktop icons by again clicking the Show Desktop Icons option in the pop-up menu of View option. Children, hope you all have understood today's topic. Watch the video for 2 to 3 times for better understanding. Let's meet with the continuation of the same topic in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.